Another episode of Fishopedia. This is part 2. If you haven't watched the first one, go back and do that right now. Fishing out here in the creek, this deep hole, catching giants. Let's do it. Alright, so what we're using, shad crankbait, spinning rod, chucking this out right where the current break is, and that's pretty much all it is. Holy cow. Holy cow, that hammered it. What is that? That has to be snagged. Oh, it's a wiper. Yes. Wow. That hit this so hard. He's not even too big. He just absolutely hammered this. Gosh, the power of these things. They fight like literally nothing else. Barely hooked too. Not a bad one. Couple pounder. Always nice to see these guys doing good. See if we can catch another. Oh, that's not a bad one. That feels like another wiper. Oh, that feels a little bit better, honestly. No, it's not a wiper. It's a walleye. Not a bad one. Ooh, that might be a sauger. Check this guy out for a minute. That's a saw guy. Heck yeah. Sauger walleye hybrid. Always nice to see these guys. Great fish to catch. Goodbye. No pictures today. Goodness. This video's already going great. Oh God, another one. Next cast. Next cast. And this is probably snagged. This feels really weird. Oh wait, no, I don't think that's snagged. What is this? Is that a bass? It is! Oh my goodness, I've never caught a bass down here. Nice little largie. Felt like he was way bigger. I thought you were snagged. That is crazy. Really small mouth for this guy. It's kind of weird. Really built well though. Nice. Alright guys, so I just rigged up my bait caster with the worm rig, and I'm gonna cast this out, same spot, and then just kind of let it sit there. Oh, that thing hammered it. Whatever this is, it hammered it. Oh, now it's feeling little. Gosh, whatever this is, it absolutely... Oh, no way. That's probably why. Little channel kitty. This is actually I think this is the second channel catfish I've ever caught in this spot. This is really not like some trashy catfish hole like most of my spots. This is actually some pretty darn good fishing compared to most of the places I usually go to. But wow. Wow. Oh gosh. Looks like the pike or something got to his tail, but yeah. Nice little cow. Oh gosh. Yeah, bite on this rod already. Got him that. Oh, I got one on this rod too. Oh my gosh. This doesn't feel big though. Doubled. Another one. Gosh, maybe this is a trashy catfish hole. Of course, this is on the worm. It's kind of what you'd expect. My goodness. That happened really quickly. Didn't get to show you guys the release. Goodness. Well, this one at least has an intact tail. Bye, bud. Alright guys, so I literally just realized my camera was off. I caught a little yellow bass and I'm putting him on the kitty rod. Finally something for the kitties. He's going out. Hopefully we get one. Got one. Oh gosh. Another little guy. More bait. Actually, you know, I'm gonna let this guy go. See if he could maybe catch him someday. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. What is that? That's not moving hardly any. What is that? Is that a walleye? That's a walleye, it's huge. It's a wiper. Probably not. Oh my god. That might be my biggest walleye ever. Nope, yep, that is my biggest walleye. I'm gonna call it. That's my biggest walleye. Oh, he's not hooked. He's hardly hooked. I can't flip this boy. I can't flip this boy. Keep tension, keep tension, keep tension, keep tension. Please, for the love of God, do not come off. Flip, okay, I'll try to flip you. All right. Oh my gosh. That's nice. Probably not my biggest. He looked huge down there. Oh my god. And it looks like the catfish rod is getting hit. Yeah, we're gonna let that sit. This is insane. That is super nice walleye. We're gonna goodness. All right, let's go check the kitty rod. Guys, this is a beautiful walleye, but if this is a fish, no, it's not. Oh my god. Poor walleye. I'm sorry, boy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna give you a drink. You're a really nice fish. Stupid catfish rod is playing with me. Alright, let's go get a measurement on this. This is way bigger than the one I caught in the last video. That is awesome. Alright guys, so my GoPro literally just died. But just caught this walleye, 21 inches. It's a really nice one. I'm not gonna weigh him, he's been out of the water way too long. But beautiful walleye. Like I'm talking. This is a really nice walleye. There he goes. Let's go check that kitty rod.